My first priority would be education. I believe that every child needs quality education. And
Work hard against the I will fight against the crimes happening in our country, making our country a happier and safest place. I would fight against the corruption taking place in our country and have a clean and fair administration which is equal to everyone. All those politicians who are
Question in my mind: what I could do if I am Prime Minister of India for a day. I see beggar peoples, especially child beggar. I try to give them jobs. From job they can get food, shelter as well as clothes. I will improve the education system because I believe that education is the key of better.
Renovate all the government schools and hospitals so that our children can learn better. Third thing, I would like to build parks and other things so that our children can play. Fourth